said post-military, we getting married?
I mean,
makes sense.
Hi, I'm Doria.
I'm Alex, and today we're reacting to SHINee. Finally, they're back. Not fully. This was just a preview showcase kind of
to let you know that they're back.
Exactly. But they performed a new song called Marry You that will be on their album. I don't know if it's a full or mini album. It better be a full album. Okay,
yeah. Okay.
On their full album.
Speak it into existence.
I don't know what the album's called yet, actually. I don't remember. But on their upcoming full album, which we will of course be reacting to the title track for, maybe even doing an album listen.
Yeah.
We'll see.
Yeah.
But for now, we wanted to give you a reaction to Marry You because we were so excited that they are back. We love
stages,
SHINee.
yeah.
Oh,
so miss them very much.
We know this is a B-side, so we're not like, it might not be the most mind-blowing song ever, but I bet it will be a jam because SHINee never brings us bad songs.
And also, it'll be fun to see it live.
Right? And I'm just excited to see them together. Like, this is what we deserve.
Shut up. Let's get to it, y'all.
So let's do it.
I can't.
Called Marry You, as I think you said.
Yes, you did. Get blonde shit.
He is giving me everybody please.
I missed your button. I saw you most recently. Most, but not recently enough. Ever. No.
They said post-military, we getting married?
I mean,
makes sense. Disrespect. Disrespect. I mean,
not
right
fully
post-military.
Right here, right now.
Also, related is very weird in this moment to see Taemin with them. Like, it's not weird inherently, but like him in current version of performing him with the rest of them, it's just like, whoa.
It's like
when you send your kid off to college.
Yeah, and then they come back
and you're just having Thanksgiving and you're like,
you're staring at the one, you changed a little.
This?
Yeah.
You the same, but you're a little different.
Yes.
Especially when you've been looking at all their pictures with all their new friends and you're like, okay, you seem like you're doing well, but okay, we're back home.
Come back home.
Right?
Come back home.
Wow.
I'm upset.
I'm shook.
I'm
okay,
really
let's restart that.
Let's make that so real. Okay.
I love Taemin's hair also.
Yeah, it's cool shit.
Right? Okay, Onu.
Ron Onu is fucking up a little.
Right? Who said that was loud?
Mr. I stayed longer to make sure the new recruits felt transition. I will punch him.
The passion.
That was a hiccup. Eyebrow!
Come on, Onu.
Oh my god. I mean, you ain't gotta say nothing but a thing. I have a dress. These rings, okay. Turquoise.
Gorgeous. Still going.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sing like that and you will get a marriage. You will get a marriage. That was not nearly long enough.
Oh, I loved that. Wait.
That was stupid.
That was a song.
That was a song.
That was a song. That was a song. That was a song. That was a song.
I'm upset. I already knew that this comeback was going to be disrespectful, and we came out swinging like that.
It would be okay if the song was just that much of a groove, but with the lyrics. And we only understood only the English.
That's right.
And this is the content.
Diamond ring.
Girl. No.
Murder.
No me gusta.
Electric chair.
Y'all, it was disrespectful. It was what we needed from them.
You look so lovely.
I'm just so happy to see them back. I was not ready to see Minnow.
I really wasn't.
Y'all heard me yell.
Yeah. It was.
And Key hitting that high note.
I astral projected.
Okay.
Y'all see my. Yeah.
That's what we're doing. That's the energy they're bringing to 2021. And I agree. SHINee can be back. We can get vaccinated. It is all possible.
Yeah!
We can overcome. We shall overcome.
Because they're going to want to marry us. We got to stay alive for that. Gosh, they're so pretty. Did you put mascara on?
I did.
Devastating.
Thanks. So yeah, overall we are so excited to see SHINee back.
Whoo,
Guess who's back in the house? SHINee. That's who. But yeah, if you enjoyed our reaction, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Happy K-popping! Happy SHINee pop.
SHINee's back. SHINee's back. Boo! 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 Boo!
Yeah! 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 Like, you realize that's like similar, yeah, to like the sexy back, yeah?
I don't like it. I don't like it.